Truck lovers, rev up your engines. The 2025 Fiat Fullback is roaring in to blow your mind. This Italian beast is more than a Fiat with a badge slapped on it. It's a rugged, brawny monster, hiding the outstanding Mitsubishi L200 beneath its surface. Feast your eyes on the Fullback's bold, commanding presence. Its double cab body screams spacious comfort, tempting you to seek adventure without sacrificing luxury. But don't let its elegant exterior fool you. Beneath the sleek skin lies a machine crafted for pure, unstoppable power. Growling under the hood is a ferocious 2.4-liter diesel engine, roaring with two mighty power options to satisfy any craving. The 148 horsepower version packs a serious punch, while the 178 horsepower beast promises a white-knuckle, adrenaline-pumping thrill with every hammer of the pedal. Get control freak levels of command with a manual transmission or opt for a smooth, easy cruising with an automatic. When you fire up the Fullback, its rugged, solid build vibrates intensely. It shudders with restrained excitement under hard acceleration, before settling into a surprisingly hushed and serene cruise once untamed. The steering feels sturdy, precise, and weighted, giving you confidence and control over any terrain. But don't forget, this is a pickup truck forged to conquer the outdoors. With a payload capacity of over a ton in its cargo bed and the ability to tow an incredible 3 tons, the Fullback laughs at puny obstacles. Its brawny, muscular frame and exceptional off-road skills means no path is too rough and no job too intense to overcome. The hype for its release is growing, and the Fullback is primed to utterly dominate the pickup world. Rumors suggest this Italian powerhouse will charge into the market around $112,000, an absolute steal for this level of performance, versatility, and resilient value.